Do you know every device connected to the internet has a unique identity? That identity is called an IP address. In this video, I'll explain what an IP address is and how it works in a very simple way, no technical confusion. What is IP address? An IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is a unique number given to every device on a network. Just like your home has an address, your device also has an address on the internet. Example: 192.168.1.1. Why IP address is important. Without an IP address, your device cannot connect to internet. Websites cannot send data to you. IP address helps identify devices, send and receive data, connect networks. How IP address works. Let's say you open a website. Keycap 1 you type website name. Keycap 2 DNS converts name. IP. Keycap 3 your request goes to that IP. Keycap 4 server sends data back. Everything works using IP addresses behind the scene. Types of IP address. 1. Private IP. Used inside your home network. Example: 192.168x. 2. Public IP. Given by your internet provider. Used to access internet. 3. IPv4 most common format. Example: 192.168.1.1. 4. IPv6. New version with more addresses. Example: longer format. How to check your IP. On Windows, press Windows plus R. Type CMD. Then type ipconfig. You will see your IP address. Now you understand what an IP address is and how it works. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment, IP, if you want more networking videos.